Buckle up. We're taking off into the realm of sky-high prices. Coming in at number 10, we have the Boeing Business Jet 3, costing a cool $99 million. At number 9, the Airbus ACJ319neo, setting you back $100 million. The 8th spot goes to the Boeing 747-8 VIP, with a price tag of $367 million. Number 7, the Boeing 787-8 BBJ, soaring at $224 million. At 6, the Airbus A340-300, costing $350 million. Number 5 is the Boeing 747-430, priced at $233 million. In 4th place, the Boeing 767-33A/ER at $170 million. Taking the 3rd spot, the Boeing 787-9, a whopping $282 million. The runner-up, the Airbus A380, costing $600 million.